Crafting effective prompts is both an art and a science. Whether you're working with LLMs like ChatGPT for code generation, debugging, or brainstorming, here's how to get the most out of your prompts. Start with clear intent. Define what you want the model to achieve. Generate a specific solution, explain a concept, or brainstorm ideas. For example, instead of asking, "Help me debug this code," try explain why this Python code produces a key error and suggest a fix. Be explicit with context. Include relevant details for your task to avoid ambiguity. Add code snippets, error messages, or specific requirements. Use comments to provide extra context. For example, given this code snippet below, rewrite it to use a factory design pattern in Python. Focus on scalability and avoid hard-coding values. Iterate with step-by-step guidance. Guide the model by breaking tasks into smaller steps. Ask for an explanation or outline, request implementation details, and refine or adjust results. For example, explain how to implement OAuth in a web app, followed by now provide code examples in Node.js with Express. Define the style and format. Specify the desired output format, such as code blocks, tables, or numbered lists. For example, generate a Python function to sort a list of integers. Include comments explaining each step. Provide examples for inspiration. Demonstrate what you're looking for, as models thrive on patterns. Include a partial solution or share an ideal output. For example, refactor this Python code to be more readable. Here's an example of my preferred style. Leverage iteration with feedback loops. Prompt refinement is key. If the result isn't ideal, tweak your prompt and be specific about what's missing or incorrect. For example, the solution works, but it's not optimized. Please rewrite it to reduce time complexity. Think beyond code. Prompt engineering isn't just for writing programs. Use it for debugging, learning, or brainstorming. For example, find the issue in this Python snippet and suggest improvements. Or, explain how this JavaScript function works step by step. Encourage creativity when needed. If you're stuck, invite the model to explore alternative solutions. For example, what are 3 unique ways to optimize this API call for speed and cost efficiency? Limit scope for complex tasks. For large problems, focus on one piece at a time. For example, first, explain how to implement a REST API in Django, followed by now add JWT authentication to the API. Experiment and document your prompts. Treat prompts as reusable tools. Save successful prompts for future tasks and experiment with wording to discover what works best. Closing thoughts. Effective prompt engineering isn't about perfection on the first try. It's about crafting, experimenting, and refining to bridge your intent and the model's capabilities. Thank you for your time. Leave your comments below, like, subscribe, and share. Feel free to reach out to me at XNT on X/Twitter.